What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have one of our Vicrez in Performance rear diffusers. And this is in gloss black. Now this is vz105647 if you want to check it out on the Vicrez website. Now, this is for the BMW F30 and F35, fitting 2012 to 2019 models. Now, let's go ahead and open this and show you what it looks like. Now guys, you can already see the gloss black. And it's super glossy, so it really reflects pretty much everything. And I honestly love that. And of course here on the bottom, you can see holes cut out, so you can bolt this in place or rivet it in. And then on the top edge here, on the back side, you have plastic tabs sticking out, so you can snap it into your rear bumper. Now that's pretty much it for this rear diffuser. If you want to see more videos just like this one, please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.